Let her even feed them.
Well, she was having trouble with it. She's gonna feed this one over here. No, you stay there, baby. Good.
Oh, it stinks.
Well, they are hungry.
So we can feed her up there.
Okay. Which one did she say?
Oh, the wings are broken.
Yeah, those are horny dogs.
Here's her food for later. The KT
Okay.
Exactor looks like that.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm afraid on the ground. That's here you go, love. Oh,
If this is still thick like this in a little while, when you go to feed her, add a little water to it so it's easier. Just a little bit of water.
I got it.
You want
On.
just
Poor baby.
not
I
too
got.
thick, not too
I'm not
thick.
as good with this, Teresa. I mean, I'm making a mess on the poor bird. Oh, sweetheart, I'm sorry.
That's all right. We'll wipe her off.
She's a mess. Oh, baby, I'm so sorry. I'm not good at that. I did better that time. Well, that's the first time.
Yeah, usually I just turn her nest around where. Whoops, sorry.
Oh,
I just knocked her silly. Come here, honey. I'll feed your nest. Yeah, she's learning to work with that broken hip. She's learning to try to stand up again. It's gonna take her a while.
Precious.
Hey,
Look at these.
oh, the paw. Yeah, it works. They know what it means.
And I'll make sure I use the call here.
Yeah, they're answering me over there too. Hey, honey, I'll let you off. There you go.
Those guys.
No, this other little bird, there's two of them are really good from this range. The other one almost acted like the starling. Kind of,
Doggy?
he's still open, so maybe this wasn't.
Well, I'll keep an eye on him, make sure, let's see. Make sure he's not got something wrong.
Here.
Here, honey. Oh, hungry? What? They got it on
Is
your-
that a starling?
He's really black for a starling, but yeah, he
I
is.
think he's a starling, that's why he's not eating as good like.
Well, they usually.
Those two over there did really good with the syringe, but he.
Oh, his leg's bothering him. That's the one Cindy brought